transparent. We do it so seamlessly here, you don't see it. But we're serious about it. Like we aim up, we can aim at an angle, but not more than 30 degrees from the vertical. We don't aim at targets. If the rails are below eye level, we cap them. We launch our rockets electrically and by remote control, and so forth and so forth. And you can buy rocket kits if you're ever interested in it at the local hobby shop like Hobby Lobby or AC Moore or Michael's, right? And
I've seen them.
More than 500 million have been flown since they were commercially made available in 1958. I have some flyers on where you can fly, but let's get this rocket up in the air first, and I'm going to go up to the pad this time.
I can ask him.
Yeah.
Well, he's not from here, so...
No, he's from here.
Oh, he's from here?
I think you need maybe this.
Seabrook.
Maybe an order picker they use at Home Depot or something. You up another 15, 20 feet.
What's the price? You remember that?
The hard part is you have to get up there and it kind of slopes. I actually couldn't see mine for the longest time.
Is this a more powerful rocket?
Yes. It has a stronger engine.
It has a payload.
Are these all yours?
Right. No, they're not mine.
Most of the ones in green are.
Most in the green are.
Well, so much fun.
Here?
One of the big safety rules that we do follow, again, that's not very apparent or
We had the same number in the morning.
intuitive,
We actually had
is all of our rockets are made out of cardboard, balsa wood, or lightweight plastic materials. There are no substantial metal parts, so if something untoward occurred, the forces of energy would be transferred to the object itself and not to the car or the person that it hits. If the rocket engine itself is made out of paper and has a little black charge on it, if by any chance something calamitous would occur, such that you have an explosion, for lack of better words, the paper is craft paper that is the engine that's completely wrapped, so the charge would go up or down, but not out towards us, so you wouldn't have shrapnel. All you have is maybe confetti. So I'll just give you that as part of an explanation. This one has a 4-second delay, which means that 4 seconds after it stops thrusting, that's when the parachute can come out. And so with that, I'd like to invite Maria. Come on up. You can do this one. I'm not going to embarrass you by Maria. You used to be a neighbor. I was a neighbor of yours when you were like 12 years old, and I was one of the most industrious people. I'm not going to say that that I met, and always impressed me as well as members of your family. So we'll insert the safety key. All right, and if you've been following the instructions at the count of 1, then just depress that and don't punch it, and I'll be right behind you, okay? In case anything happens. All right, range safeties go. You ready, Maria?
I'm ready.
All right, T-minus 5, 4, hold on. Help me count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
The X-8?
All right.
Did the egg survive?
Have to see.
Go get it.
Go on out there
Please.
and bring both back.
Look like
Wasn't that cool? I like that one.
I thought it was going to go up higher.
Yeah, well, it was more of an angle.
It's a big egg.
$1.25.
Pretty good? Great. I got 3 more to launch for your...
This is a really raw egg.
Show you some different ones here. I'm going to pull the plug.
The yellow one looks like the X-15.
All right, the blue one is an example of featherweight recovery. This rocket is, it's not made out of metal. You want to see how heavy this thing is? All right. Okay, impressive, right? It's made out of styrofoam. So what it does is it just kicks out the engine, and then it tumbles recovery. The only thing you have to watch out for is the engine, when it comes out, it makes a big loud report, and you got to dodge that, but it weighs about 2-3 grams. So we'll launch that. Then the yellow one that you were commenting about, we made this a little different. We have fins. Instead of fins, we've got tubes. So we'll see if that stabilizes it, makes it go true and straight and fast. And then the last one, what I did is I put a little bigger engine in it than what we've had on the previous ones, just so that you can see a little different performance level. So we're going to launch the blue one first. Oh boy. Safety plug is out so I can approach the pad. Channel is armed, time is running. T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Uh-oh.
Oh yeah! Look out! Woo! Where'd it go? I heard it.
And that's all the action we get.
I didn't even see it shoot up.
Yeah, and we'll leave that hot engine there. That's about it, okay?
Alex.
You okay, Ginger?
Yeah. All right, let's try the Razor, okay?
I was going to try and catch it.
This one here has the groove tube, and let's see, I used a streamer, I think, on this instead of a parachute, so you get a different flight parameters. At T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Whoa.
Nice and stable going up, and then you can see your streamer coming back down.
That was nice.
Yeah, that was pretty good. All right, would somebody be kind enough to spare an old man and go out there? You got it, Dana.
Okay, get the other one.
Hurry up. Now, I'll do one last one here.
Just want to shimmy up that tree, see if you
See if I can get it. Not through my.
Yeah. That orange.
Yeah, but. Yeah.
Out there.
Well, I believe it's out there somewhere. It's a matter of finding it.
Right there.
There we go. Thanks, Chris.
2 for 1.
It burnt through where the...
All right, this is our last flight. Would anybody like any flyers on the where you can fly your own rockets or watch them? I will put them right here. This is our last flight for the day. All the Rocketeers used A engines on it. This one has a B engine, which means it's twice as powerful. So theoretically, it should go up twice as high as what we saw. We were seeing speeds of approximately 100 miles an hour, and they were going up about 125 feet or so, my estimate. So let's see what happens here at this last one on rail 6, our last flight. Big old countdown, please. Yeah, who's going to recover this? We got a volunteer. All right, help me.